This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
What if your next roommate wasn't another person, but a robot that actually understood what you were asking? Well, Unitree just showed exactly that. And honestly, this feels less like a robot demo and more like watching the first generation of robotic home assistants. It starts with something incredibly simple. A person tells the robot to pick up a cushion from the floor and place it on the sofa. No remote control. No pre-programmed sequence. The robot listens, figures out which cushion you're talking about, walks over, grabs it, and places it exactly where it belongs. Then comes the interesting part. The person asks, "What color is the cushion?" Instead of just guessing, the robot actually looks at it through its cameras before answering, "White." That's vision and language working together in real time. Then, the robot moves into a hospital room. It opens the correct drawer on a medical cart, counts the medicine boxes inside, identifies their colors, picks out only the blue one, and places it on the counter. Think about that for a second. It isn't just recognizing objects, it's following multi-step instructions while understanding what it's seeing. Next, it heads into a bedroom. Someone throws clothes onto a bed and asks the robot to put them into the laundry basket. The robot grabs the first shirt, drops it into the basket, then immediately understands when the person points to another shirt and says, "Put this one in too." No complicated commands, just normal conversation. Then, probably my favorite demo. In the kitchen, someone asks it to load a plate into the dishwasher. The robot picks up the plate, looks inside the dishwasher, notices there's already a glass cup in there, carefully places the plate onto the rack, and even closes the dishwasher door afterward. That's several different actions chained together without needing step-by-step guidance. And finally, it moves back into a hospital environment. A patient asks the robot to lower the bed. The robot walks over, grabs the manual crank, starts turning it, and the moment the patient says, "That's enough," it immediately stops. That may sound simple, but responding naturally to spoken commands while physically interacting with the world is one of the biggest challenges in robotics. We're watching robots move beyond carefully controlled factory tasks and into homes, hospitals, and everyday environments where every situation is different. They're beginning to see, understand, and act more like human assistants than machines following scripts. And if this is what they can already do today, just imagine what they'll be doing a few years from now. If you want to keep up with the biggest breakthroughs in AI and robotics, make sure to subscribe to AIX. You won't want to miss what's coming next.